Namaste Yogi. I'm back with a very interesting topic, which is called difference in between Yoga Nidra and Shavasana. So Shavasana is a asana, a posture, which is practiced after laying, and Yoga Nidra is a practice. It's a medium of meditation to go deep into your practice. So if you have any pillow or something to put for your head, you just set it to pillars. You take a nice position. You are going to lay down. You set up your head over the pillows. Your legs will be nearly 2 to 3 feet open. Your arms are relaxed. Your eyes will be firmly closed. So basically, just to lay down and to configure your physical
After
body. Shavasana, when you lay down, so the real practice it starts. So in that depth, when we enter, which is called Yoga Nidra. So first thing in Yoga Nidra, your regular prana, which is working from nasal to your lungs. So this prana is going in, and when we talk in yogic way, so your prana it activates your anahat chakra. Anahat means in the chakra. Nidra, you are not sleeping, you are awake. When you are in Shavasana, you are practicing Yoga Nidra, you are observing. You're observing your breath. You're observing how long your prana is getting. So first thing, please be concerned how is your prana. This second thing, now we will talk about the fluctuation of mind. As much you can try. The people who have the control, who can regulate their prana, they definitely have the control over their senses. They are very calm. They will be into a proper way. They will be balanced. Why? They have the control of their main prana. There are 5 pranas. I will come on each of them. First of all, the main prana, which has the main center of your whole outcome, your energy. So first, please be concerned about your main prana. Now in Yoga Nidra, what happens when you are keep practicing Yoga Nidra? You have a very good vision. Vision in front of you, there will be no disturbance. You're in any condition, you feel very happy. You're always balanced. You have a control over yourself. You will not be panicked. You know how to tackle any situation. So these are very basic things of Yoga Nidra. So in Yoga Nidra, when you are totally relaxed, your body is under relaxation, is under control, your prana is getting broader, more strong. Now the third thing, the fluctuation of your mind, the senses, they will become clear without any specific attention, without any specific work. Your senses are getting clear. Now what will happen? This is going to be very clear. Now we are opening step by step, step by step. First thing, your lower chakra, the root channel. Your root channel has your steadiness, it has your stability. So what will happen? First, with Yoga Nidra, you will attain your steadiness. Not only with body, you can sit in any posture for hours without any motion, without any movement. But with Yoga Nidra, main thing is your mental body. The physical body is very easy. How to control over your mental side. For that you need Yoga Nidra. You need Shavasana. So basic difference, Yoga Nidra and Shavasana, they are similar. Their objective is same, but with Shavasana, you are going deep, a long distance. So not to be confused. And then when your breath is deeper, your senses are clear. Now what will happen when your vision is clear? You are entering to your subconscious state. In subconscious state, now you are not body. You know, you are growing. Your mind is growing. Now your wisdom appears. And you have that wisdom. You have that intellectual knowledge. What will happen? Please let me know. You may comment. Use your brain. When you have your wisdom and you have intellectual knowledge, which growth overcomes. That's called your subconscious state. When the mind is out of the body, it's growing. It's not fully developed. It's growing. It's in the middle. This is the state when mind is clear, but it's growing. Subconscious state. You feel yourself, I'm not body. I'm not limited. And when you keep practice that Yoga Nidra, because Yoga Nidra is giving you that basic, it is giving you that foundation, that raise up, grow up yourself. And now you are proceeding towards that super consciousness. Super consciousness means now you are Brahman. You are Brahman. Brahman means you are full of knowledge. You know who you are in that level. When you are growing up, means you have total understanding about yourself. So this is the main understanding how you configure what is Shavasana. Not to be confused, Shavasana is a basic asana. It's a posture. It's Shavasana corpse. Like a corpse, you stop your movement. You are without movement, motionless. And Yoga Nidra, it's a meditative approach. It's a sleeping state. It's a highly active in which your senses are active. So this is the main thing of your practice. To practice more, to grow. And in your the mind should be at a level that I'm different from body. Mind is different. My bliss body, my objective is to reach on the bliss state. This was very important to know and to define you as you know and you could grow. Please grow in your spiritual path and please let me know your experiences. If you have any query, if you have any question, please write down in the comment box.